Alright, in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to make a planet with a tunnel around the planet. Now this equal rectangular panorama is not very clean. Right here my shadow was in the shot because I was hand holding this. I'm just going to click the clone stamp tool over here on the left. A good brush size. Hardness of the brush is about 75%. And I'm just going to click Alt on my keyboard and then click to the left of the shadow somewhere. Click like normal over the shadow. Let's do the same over here. And there we go. What about all this black stuff up here? So what I'm going to do is just crop out, image, crop, and now that's gone. I'm just going to select this guy with my quick select tool, modify, expand. I'm going to push shift backspace and use content aware, and then push enter and click OK, and that will be filled in. Now in order to make the tunnel with the planet inside of it, all we got to do is mirror this guy. Duplicate the layer, image, canvas size, and then type in 200% for the height value. Push the down arrow, push OK, and bam, doubled the height on the top portion of the canvas. Let's press Control T, rotate. This doesn't really match up. You right click and click flip horizontal and click merge layers, and those are now merged. Now I just popped in this cloud layer here. Grab the quick select tool. Now let's go back to the cloud layer. In there, let's click the layer mask icon just to add those clouds in there. So that's looking pretty cool. But look at this. Layer flatten image, filter other offset. The clouds don't match up on the left and right side of the picture. That's because these clouds, it's not a 360-degree picture. What we can do is go to filter other offset. We can just use the clone stamp tool, make a big soft brush, try to work our way around it just like that. We'll get rid of that harsh line, but it does get close enough to the point where people won't notice. Now you can see that it's very difficult to tell that I was even there to begin with. So let's just keep doing that. And there we go. I'm just doing this as a quick example just to show you. It's pretty much seamless. It's all good. Let's go to Filter, Flaming Pair, Flexify to Rectangular, and the output to Stereographic, just like normal. And now if we just move the latitude to +90, we can see that we've got the tunnel with the planet inside. You can put another equal rectangular in here that's different. But if I wanted to put maybe a grass equal rectangular picture, I could put that in the top, so I would have two different ones. So I could have a grass picture in the middle and then the beach going around it. So that's just another idea that you might want to play around with. Now you can make it so it looks like there's just a regular landscape on the bottom and then a planet above, maybe 25-30 degrees. So I'm just going to click OK and have that render out. Okay, so now for the donut hole picture. I want to have the landscape in the middle of the photo and the sky on the tops and bottom. This black spot and fill it in. Alright, did a pretty good job. So let's just crop this area out because we don't really need it. So image, crop, and now let's mirror this guy. So let's duplicate the layer and then go to image, canvas size, put in 200% for the height value, and then select the up arrow. Push OK, and there we go, we got our empty space there. Now with this duplicated layer selected, let's press Control T and right click on this and then press flip vertical. In fact, I'm actually going to move this up right about here. I'm going to push enter, and then I'm just going to create a layer mask on this layer, grab a big black soft brush, and then erase this harsh line. So in this little example, that's the only kind of downside about this picture, is the shadows. But I think it's fine and we can get away with this. So let's crop out that black area right there. Image crop, layer, flatten image. Let's go to filter, flaming pair, flexify to. You'll get two tunnels side by side. If it's all the way to -90, you will get that donut hole picture. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more until just the tips of the tree right there. Click OK. I'm going to let that render out, and bam, there we go. Let's crop this guy to just get rid of all that negative space that we don't really need. Right about here's good. Image, crop, and there's the final piece. Now you can also rotate the image to your liking. I kind of think that kind of looks cool. But yeah, if you zoom in, you can see it. It's total donut hole. And you can do two different equal rectangulars in this as well. For instance, if you wanted the beach on top and the grass on the bottom, you could do that as well. You would just need to really fade it in, just like I showed you.